Welcome back to my studio. I'm Malcolm Dewey and this is another video in my series of quick painting tips. One of the biggest tips I can give artists who want to paint in a loose style or have more energy in their painting, kind of what we call the painterly style these days. Number one is change the size of your paintbrush. Painting bigger shapes with a bigger paintbrush. This painting, quite a small size, it's about 31 centimeters by 23. I'm going to show you how I use a big brush in this painting to get that loose style, those loose shapes. What I use is a size 8 bristle brush, a long flat bristle brush, and sometimes I'll start with a size 10, but a size 8 is just right to start and finish a painting like this, because a long flat brush has a lot of ability to paint different size shapes. You can use the side of the brush to get smaller shapes, the flat side to get big shapes, the corners to get even smaller shapes, but still big enough to make that small shape interesting. Okay, so have a look at the size of the brush you are using and try and find a bigger brush and see what the result is, even if it doesn't feel right for you. Have a look at some of these examples of the brushwork I did in this painting and then have a go yourself. Keep a lookout for future videos like this, short painting tips that you can use straight away. And make sure you subscribe to the channel. Just click the subscribe below and you'll be notified of the next painting tip. Until then, cheers for now.